Hello, people. Welcome to Home of Patwa. Welcome to another lesson. And then in this lesson, we are going to take you guys through what I call the intro. So, with the intro, I shall take you through some basic ways of greeting people and saying some basic sentences in Patwa. So, with that being said, let's right now in the rain. Like I said in the beginning. So, we are going to take how to greet people and then how to say some basic sentences in Patwa. So now on our list, the first word we have here is wagwan. Wagwan. So which actually means what's going on. And then I think that's the most common word in Patwa, and basically everybody says it. So when you meet someone, be like wagwan, virgin. Yeah, man. So now word we have here is waya say. Yo, waya say, I'm a virgin. So which means what's up, but wayas actually means what are you saying. You get it? So now we have another word for greetings. What you depan? Yo, what you depan, brother? Which means what are you on, but it also means what's up or what are you up to. So it's also another way of greeting people. So it can also be like me observe it said. Me observe it said, which also means I hope all is okay or all is well with you. So another word we have here, another statement that we use to greet people is what you are dealing with or what you are dealing with. So what you are dealing with. So which means what are you dealing with? But that's not what it means here. It means what's up or what are you up to. So another word, another statement here is all you steer, which means how do you say, but actually means how are you. So how do you now respond to those greetings if you are being greeted that way? So how do you respond to them? So the most common one is na guan. So what shall I pronounce that word? Na guan. So when I started learning, it was actually a very big shock here on how to pronounce this word. So try it several times. So go on. So which means nothing much. No. So another way of responding is yeah man, me a go on easy. Yeah man, me a go on easy, which means yes man, everything is cool. So another way of responding is me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. It actually means I haven't said anything or I'm not saying anything, but it also means nothing much, just nothing much. So another response to greetings is yeah man, everything crazy, which means everything is cool, everything is good. So you can also say me not deal with nothing. Yeah man, me not deal with nothing, which means I'm not I'm cool, or I'm not dealing with a lot, I'm not dealing with anything. So me not upon nothing also means I'm cool. So you can actually just turn the other group greetings around and then you have your response. So with that being said, let's see after greeting the person, what do you say next? So probably you wanna ask maybe where are you going, what do you do, and what. So right now, some phrases I have here, I'll just bring them out and then it's actually helpful. So the first phrase I have here is where you go, where you go, which means where are you going. So you can also say where you are go, where you are go, or where you are go. So the two of them means the same thing. So where are you going? So you can also ask that person. So what you are do or what you are do, which means what are you doing. So you can also ask if they are okay. So you are right, you are right. So which means are you okay? So you can also ask maybe when they are coming. So when are you coming? So you say when you are go forward. When, not when. When you are go forward. So which means when are you coming? So you can also say hold on, I'm coming. So while I'm me forward. So you'll be like when you are go forward, then you respond while I'm me are forward or me soon come. So which also means the same thing. Me soon come or me are forward. So the two of them means the same thing, which means I'm coming. So probably you can tell them that maybe I'm going to work. So be like me I go work, me I go work. So which means I'm going to work. So you can ask them maybe what do you want? So how do you say that in Patois? So be like what you want, what you want, or what you want. So what or where you want. So the two of them means the same. So which means what do you want? So you can ask somebody if he has this. So do you have? So in Patois you'll be like you have. So not have. So can visit our tips on pronunciations and then you realize why we do not add the h here. So you have or you have or uno have. So which means you have. So now let's last we have here is you sister. So which means don't you see that or don't you know that it's used to create awareness. So yo boy like that. So said the boy to road, Yo, said the boy going like him against her.